All right, guys, we got a Southern Comfort 1995 Chevy Silverado Z71. Got side skirts. That's what the Southern Comfort is. Side skirts, lower lip, and all that good stuff on it. Two-tone paint, and it's a step side too. I don't know why they didn't bring back the step side. They need to, I think. What do you guys think? Should they bring back the step side? I think they should. Anyways, factory converter there. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And what we got installed on it is something special. It's a race muffler, a Vibrant. I didn't know if you guys know, but Vibrant makes race mufflers. Here's the part number 17695. There'll be a link in the description for it. As you guys can see, it's tiny, but it's cool. It'll make a really nice sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And then we put a Y pipe and dualed it out the back on each side, there and there, into some 4-inch roll tips out the back, there and there by 18s. So to complete the look, as you guys can see, there and there. That's how you do duals on these. There it is, all the way back, clears everything, nice, clean. Came out really beautiful. There's the old Flowmaster knockoff 40 series that was on it, and tailpipe, and he had this tip too on it that we took off. Made it look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. As you guys can see, as it lowers, it looks cleaner and cleaner. Nice truck. Let's see if she sounds as good as she looks. I think she will. Perfect? Yeah. That's nice. Change that cat, bro. Plug it. That cat. Once you change that cat, bro, that power will be, it'll be a whole different truck. Sound decibels. Again. Yeah, it needs it. It's choking. Smell it. Right at 98. All right, guys, so we'll let you hear it first. Round one. This is round two. We just installed a new high-flow cat on this beautiful truck. Here it is right here. As you guys can see, it makes a huge difference in size. It's a high flow. We'll have a link in the description for it. It's 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then everything else, they're still got the Vibrant race muffler there. There'll be a link in the description for it also. And then we wide it out after, right there. So it's got a Vibrant race muffler, Y pipe duals out the back with a high flow cat there, okay? And then out the back, 2.25 tailpipes on each side, there and there, into 4-inch roll tips out the back, there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it now with the new high flow cat. Everything else stayed the same, all right? There's the old exhaust system that was on it right there that we cut off. Much better. Motor wasn't breathing before, man. Wow. Here's sound decibels. 111. Much better. Like a truck, man. Show you guys that the high flow cats make a huge difference. Again, go ahead and back it out. It's actually breathing. The old cat on it was clogged up. Wow, what a difference. It was robbing them of horsepower. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.